If you've accidentally deleted a file or folder and it's already gone from your recycle bin, keep watching because in this video I'll show you how to get it back. Before you do anything else, stop using that drive because every file you save can overwrite the one you're trying to recover. So the sooner you act, the better your chances. There are a few ways to get your files back, so we'll run through them one by one, starting with the easiest. The first thing we need to do is check the free built-in option. Open the recycle bin from the start menu and have one more look for your file. If it's not there, open File Explorer and go to the folder that used to hold it. Right-click that folder, show more options, and select Restore Previous Versions. If you see a version from before you deleted the file, open it, then drag your file back out. If the list is empty, that feature wasn't turned on, so we'll move on. Next thing we're going to do is use Microsoft's own recovery tool. Head to the Start menu, open the Microsoft Store, and search for Windows File Recovery. Select it, and hit Get to install it. Once it's installed, open it, and select the Yes when it asks to make changes. You'll see two modes, regular and extensive. And regular is for files you deleted recently, so start with that one. Type WinFR, then a space, then the drive your file was on followed by a colon. I'll use C for mine, but use whatever applies to you. Add a space, then the drive you want to recover to followed by a colon. And this has to be a different drive, so I've plugged in a USB stick as my D drive. Add a space, then type /regular. To narrow the search, add a space, then /n. Then the folder or file type you're after, like /n star.png for a photo, or star.pdf for a PDF. Press Y. Give it some time to finish. When it's done, your files will be waiting in a recovery folder on that second drive. Mode comes up empty. Run the same command again, but swap regular for extensive, which is slower but digs deeper. If that still doesn't find your file, the last thing we're going to do is try a free tool called Recuva. Head over to ccleaner.com/Recuva, link in the description. Scroll down to the free download and install it. But install it on a different drive than the one you're recovering from so you don't overwrite your own files. Open it up and follow the wizard. Run Recuva. Next, pick the type of file you lost or just choosing all files. Then, telling it where the file was or selecting I'm not sure. Leave deep scan unticked for the first pass and run it. If nothing turns up, come back and enable deep scan, though this one can take over an hour. When the results appear, a green dot means the file is fully recoverable and a red dot means it's been overwritten. Tick the files you want and hit recover and save them to a different drive. One thing to know before you finish, Windows File Recovery only works on your own drives, so it won't pull files back from OneDrive or a network location, and no tool can guarantee a file that's already been overwritten. Your permanently deleted files will now be recovered. If you found this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.